Navika ji, let the probe happen. But the reality of this entire debate is in the BJP winning versus the SP winning. What is understood is India is losing. What was told to us that Achhe Din Aane Wale India would be corruption free. We had demonetization, we had electoral bonds ka reform. But what the reality is that we have 200 odd crores of a person in the heart of BJP. यूपी में भी बीजेपी है, सरकार में भी, केंद्र सरकार में भी बीजेपी है, पर फिर भी करप्शन इतना रैम्पेंट है. द क्वेश्चन हियर इज आप the corruption perception index in the last 1 year we have slipped 6 points down, and right now we are standing at 86. We voted the prime minister, we more voted Yogi ji with the idea that India would be corruption free, and right now we are standing discussing that at 86th position India, that there is this Piyush Jain who's having 200 odd crore. The question here is ये पैसा आता कहां से है? ये एसपी का है, बीजेपी का है, किसका है? वो सवाल नहीं है. The question here is how can a person, a small trader, can have huge amounts of 200 crores? How many zeros are behind 200 crores? We may not know that. But the question here is, with Modi ji at center, with Yogi ji at state level, we can have such kind of open corruption in India. So this is the question. The big question comes in my mind, which my friend Shekhar told is, India has moved from retail corruption to wholesale corruption. Earlier, there were individual corrupt politicians. Now we have
large wholesale corruption. Did you know कि retail corruption पहले कैसे हो रही थी, अब जो wholesale हो रही है, थोड़ा बता दीजिए.
नाविका जी, आप ही एक्सपोज करते थे. आपने जितना रिटेल करप्शन एक्सपोज किया है इस देश में, मेरे को नहीं लगता देश में कभी किसी ने एक्सपोज किया है.
अच्छा.
Now the question is,
so you think the CWG scam, the 2G scam was retail corruption? Now the corruption levels are higher than that. Is that what you are saying?
Look at the CAG data. We don't have the data. Look at the way the ED, the IT is functioning. That is what is telling us. The question should be on Sarkar, but the question is on SP. The question is on TMC. The question is on Congress.
Brilliant.